Yeah, assalamu alaikum brothers and sisters, welcome to another vlog. Just going to show you Stratford area where basically we're close to Freedom Day, 19th July. Just showing you how people are basically what they're up to in Stratford, and have a look at a few eating places in Stratford. I'm in Stratford Tramway Avenue, and this is Stratford Kitchen. They do authentic Indian food and street food. You can see here, this is where they're located, next to the Queen's Head. That's their details on here. If you fancy a bit of authentic Indian food, pop into here. And as you can see, as I'm walking down, here's the Queen's Head, and you've got Stratford Broadway ahead of us. Some fish and chips. You got Ifratelli fish and chips and pizza. There's Wendy's next to German Doner Kebab. It's a new restaurant that will be opening soon. A film of this. Here you got some Chinese place. Sean Chinese and Cuisine makes chicken dumpling, beef rice, prawn noodles, and he rides in a motorbike when he finishes here. Let me check him out. So I'm gonna order the hot and spicy egg. There's a halal menu here, Chinese cuisine, as you can see here. Got the halal sign there. This is his setup here. Very oriental setup. So easy to see. I'll see the finishing product. Yeah. So that's the hot and spicy egg. It's like an omelette, but hot and spicy. Thank you so much. I'll take away this. So he's making, brother here is making chicken doner, and his place is called the Turkish Doner Kebab and Burgers. Original. And you can see that's his menu there. My favorite is on the menu, falafel wrap. So I've ordered that. What's your name, brother?
My name is Nasir.
Nasir. And you're running this Turkish doner kebab and burger shop. Excellent, lovely. I've ordered a falafel wrap from you, and your donors are looking very good, very fresh as well.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Excellent. And you're open from Tuesday to Saturday?
We can open like every day.
Yeah.
Normally I open like Tuesday to Saturday.
Excellent.
Sunday
Excellent.
and Monday is day off.
Brilliant, brilliant. Excellent. Okay, so I'll recommend people to come here and try your doner and falafel wrap as well. Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, it's got the Pakistan flag up there as well, and this is a menu that he does here. Also does hot dogs as well, and as I said, various other dishes. Fantastic. Thank you so much, bro. Take care. And right now he's preparing a chicken doner. You can see there. MashaAllah, looking very tasty. Well cooked. Very nice. So in that, I guess you can put salad, whatever she wants in it. Excellent. How long you been doing this, brother?
In this business,
Yeah,
I'm almost 1 year.
1 year. MashaAllah. Excellent, excellent.
What sauce and a salad on it? Garlic mayo?
Got salad there. So he's preparing the wrap for the lady. This is becoming famous in Pakistan now, you know, doner, and what's it called? Kashmir, shawarma as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, even I went Azad Kashmir in January, and it's becoming a in thing now. Obviously, anything to make money. They're learning.
I'm just closing now. This is everything is finished.
Oh, okay, no problem.
Yeah.
I will just film this then. Don't worry then.
Sorry about the
What time you open from? What times?
Right?
What time you open from?
You open 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock and finish
6 o'clock.
6. Okay, my break was 6.
Yeah.
Bad luck. So this the chicken doner, this meat, then you just pack it away, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay. So you can see the doner there, chicken, and the nearest to us is lamb. And you can see the brothers got the Pakistan flag outside here, and we are in basically the center of Stratford. He's making falafel wrap for me. So there's the falafels. As you can see, a very famous Turkish.
What sauce?
You got garlic sauce?
Yeah.
Yeah, garlic sauce. Yeah, that'll do. Garlic.
Chili, little bit.
A little bit, not too much. Yeah, a little bit. That's enough. Yeah.
Any other sauce?
No, that's fine. Yeah, I'm not a sauce person. So a bit of lettuce on that. And tomatoes. Yeah, I've come a bit late in the day, otherwise we would have had lots of salad on that, but never mind. It's okay. But the main thing is the falafel. And hummus is finished in it because I came late.
Yeah, I'm closing now.
Yeah, that's it. No worries. So this is a falafel wrap. Very nice. It's very common in Middle East, isn't it? They eat this. Middle East and Turkey, Morocco. Yeah, these places. They like this. Yeah.
Especially Indian.
Yeah. So look at that. Very nice.
More vegetarian people. They prefer.
Yeah, they like this, innit? Yeah, falafel. So now it's being wrapped up for me. Very nice. So yeah, this is the brother setup. Are you here like just Saturday or every? Is it Monday to Saturday, or just Saturday?
Tuesday to Saturday.
Okay.
Tuesday is casual. Like
Okay.
It's optional. You can
Yeah.
open or not.
Yeah. There you go. Excellent. Thank you.